Facebook pages sometimes fail to load properly because of internet issues, app glitches, browser problems, server outages, or account-related restrictions. Users may see blank screens, endless loading icons, missing content, or error messages when trying to open Facebook pages. The good news is that most Facebook page loading problems can usually be fixed with a few troubleshooting steps. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to fix Facebook page not loading problems for American users step by step in 2026. Before changing settings, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is stable because weak internet connections are one of the most common causes. Try refreshing the page or reopening the Facebook app. Temporary loading glitches can sometimes fix themselves immediately. Close the Facebook app completely or restart your web browser before trying again. If you use Facebook on a browser, clearing cache and cookies can fix corrupted temporary files causing loading problems. On Android devices especially, clearing the Facebook app cache may solve page loading issues. Using an outdated Facebook version may cause bugs or compatibility problems, so update the app regularly. And that's your full guide on how to fix Facebook page not loading problems for American users in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to restore Facebook page access and improve app performance.